St. Augustine's Period 1 class. William Bertolotti here, and today I'm going to be interviewing Dr. Cuthbert Duke, a scientist who has recently discovered the cause of colorectal cancer. So, Dr. Duke, how does one develop this horrible condition? Well, Mr. Bertolotti, colon cancer is caused by adenomatous polyps, which become cancerous in the colon. These polyps become cancerous due to genetic cell regulation abnormalities or environmental factors such as drinking, smoking, or a lazy lifestyle. Well, what are some of the symptoms of colorectal cancer? The symptoms of this disease are what make it so horrible and worse than other forms of cancer. Some of these include severe constipation, severe diarrhea, rectal bleeding, which is finding blood in your stools, fatigue, which is laziness, drowsiness, and general lack of energy, and anemia, which is when you don't have enough blood cells in order to carry oxygen to the tissues of the body. Oh, that sounds awful. Are there any ways to prevent this disease or find out about it before it's too late? Colorectal cancer can be located using the process of screening, a series of tests used to find if one has signs of colorectal cancer. The process involves fecal occult blood testing, flexible sigmoidoscopy, and a colonoscopy. It is taken 2 to 3 years before possible diagnosis in order to prevent the disease. Tumors or polyps can also be spotted using a PET, MRI, or CT scan, and they can be removed before they become cancerous by sampling the colon for them and removing if found. If one can't prevent the cancer, what are some ways they can treat this disease? Yes, there are several methods of treatment for colorectal cancer. Tumors can be removed via laparotomy or laparoscopically, 2 different types of surgery. Living a healthy life by eating fruits, grains, and vegetables, as well as exercise, can also help reduce and improve the state of the cancer. Chemotherapy and radiation therapy can also help get rid of colon cancer. Palliative care, a form of medical care focused around cancer treatment and improving the quality of one's life, can also help treat colon cancer. What are some of the discoveries people have made for colorectal cancer, and what is some of the disease's history? Well, colon cancer dates back a long time. People back in ancient China had it and prescribed herbal remedies to treat it. Cases had also been found in ancient Greece and medieval Europe, and a case has even been found in an ancient Egyptian mummy. The biggest advancements in research for the disease was when Aldred Scott Wharton discovered its links to genetics, as well as when I found the cause of colon cancer and created a system which defines the stages of it. Now, how much of the population is affected by colon cancer, and how can they improve the quality of their life or get help from their community about it? Roughly 4.96% of current U.S. citizens will be diagnosed with colon cancer throughout their life. About 1 million people are diagnosed each year worldwide, and the amounts of deaths by colon cancer are in the 100,000s each year. Colorectal cancer is more likely to affect African Americans more than other races. The best way one can improve their life with colorectal cancer is by eating well, exercising, and living a somewhat active life. There are plenty of foundations and charities to provide support to colon cancer patients. Some of these include the Colon Cancer Challenge Foundation, the American Cancer Society, the Susan Cohen Colon Cancer Foundation, and the Chris for Life Foundation. Well, it was a pleasure talking to you, Dr. Cuthbert Duke. Thank you for having me.